In this session, I'm going to show you how to log into the Dovico system so you can track your time. Simply come to our website, dovico.com, through the web browser of your choosing, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, or Chrome. Once you're at our website, there is a login option here on the top right-hand side. That'll take you to our customer portal page where you will enter in the company name, the user ID, and your password. Once you're logged into Dovico, the first thing you will want to do is come under the Options tab and change your password. So just backspace what's here and here, enter in your password, confirm the password, and apply. The next time you log into Dovico will be with your new password. There is no password restriction. It can be whatever it is you want it to be. Under the Timesheet tab is where you'll actually track your time on the various activities you've been assigned to. The time entry window is broken out into two pieces. The left-hand side is a list of projects and tasks for each of the customers you're assigned to. The main window is where you'll track your time. Down here you can provide additional details such as descriptions associated to each time entry you enter. Let me show you how this works. The left-hand side is a list of projects and tasks you're assigned to for each customer. You can simply drill down to the project and task you want to perform, and you can simply put a check mark to the left of the category you want to track time to. It's important to note that only projects and tasks you're assigned to will show up in this window. If you're not assigned to it, it simply won't show up. You'll need to notify your manager, who will then make that assignment for you. Also important to note that only active projects and tasks will show up in this list. Again, if you're not assigned to it or it's not active, it simply doesn't show up here. You put a check mark to the left of the activity you want to work on. You can choose the Add to Timesheet button here, or you can right-click and choose Add to Timesheet. Both will do the same thing, which is populate the time grid with the activities you want to track your time to. To track your time, you simply click on the cell for the corresponding day on the activity you want to work on. You enter in your time. Time entries are automatically saved. There is no save button required. You can close the browser session or log out. The next time you log back into Dovico, these entries are still here. You do have the capability to change and modify the entries. Let's say it wasn't 4 hours, it was 3.5 hours. You can simply make these changes up until you submit. The submit button is in the top left-hand side of this window. We'll cover the submit option here in just a moment. The left-hand panel comes with a navigation option here where you can type in the project name or number, and it'll search the listing and call up the activity for you. So just make note of that search feature. Quickly navigates the assignment window so you can find the activity, get it on your timesheet so you can then track your time. Once you're done entering your time for the week, you can simply submit these entries. Click on the submit button. There's two ways you can submit. You can do the simple submit, which will submit entries for the week that we're currently looking at. Or if you need to shorten or broaden the date range, you can use the advanced option where you can then choose the range of days you want to submit for. Once you submit these entries, they are then locked down. There is no way for you to change or modify these entries. If there is a discrepancy you notice after you've submitted, you'll need to contact your manager, who will then help you out with the discrepancy on the time entry. One other important item that I will cover here is on the help files. Everything you need to know in relation to time entry is available through the help file. Simply click on the blue question mark for the timesheet view. You'll get a list of FAQs on the time entry side, great reference point, as well as this video that's here for your reference.